Today we're going to show you how to set up your UPM electronic programmable timer. Your package comes with the timer, 2 AAA batteries, and the instructions. The only other thing you will need is the lamp you want to control. To get started, go ahead and remove the back cover from your timer and insert the included AAA batteries. These batteries will be used for memory backup if you decide to move your timer. Once that's complete, go ahead and find an available outlet and plug in your timer. Then connect the lamp that you want to control by plugging it into the bottom of your timer. And go ahead and test to make sure that you do have control of your lamp by pressing the on-off button on the bottom row of buttons. Once you have verified that the lamp is being controlled, we can go ahead and move on to programming your timer. Let's start by getting familiar with the buttons on your timer. On the top row from left to right you have a day button, an hour button, a minute button, and a daylight savings button. On the bottom row you have a countdown button, a random button, your on-off button, and the program button. To start programming, we will first need to set the time. Press the red program button once to put your timer into clock mode. Once that has been done, go ahead and set the hour, and then go ahead and set the correct minute. And follow that up by setting the appropriate day. With that complete, go ahead and press the red program button. That will complete the clock setting and take you into the first of 20 program modes. You will start by setting the on time for your timer in the same fashion that we set the clock. Go ahead and set the hour, the minute, and the day that you want your timer to come on. You know that you'll be in the on setting on the right hand side of your LCD screen where it says on. When that is complete, go ahead and hit the red program button once, and this will take you into the off setting for your program. Again, setting the off setting, just as we did with the clock, by setting the appropriate day, minute, and hour that you want your timer to turn off. When you've finished, go ahead and press the red program button. This will take you right into program number 2, as is indicated on the bottom right of your LCD screen. You can continue this process and set 19 more programs if you wish, or if you want to skip straight ahead to the countdown function, just hold down the day button and the program button at the same time. Once you're in the countdown mode, setting the countdown timer is as easy as programming the number of hours and minutes you want the timer to work for. You can even set it by the number of seconds as well by using the day button. Once that is complete, you'll want to indicate whether or not the countdown timer is to be in the on or off position, and do that by simply pressing on or off. Once that is complete, go ahead and press the red program button to store this countdown time, and anytime you want to start it, just hit the countdown button on the bottom left of your button panel. This timer even allows you to give your home that lived-in appearance while you're away. When you're in regular clock mode, programming random functions is as easy as hitting the random button, and this will turn your light on and off at several short-term intervals. You can then manually turn the random mode off by pressing the on-off button. That concludes the basic programming functions of your UPM electronic programmable timer. But let's see it in action, as I think the timer we set at the beginning of this video is about ready to go off. By setting timers for lights around your home, you can conserve the amount of energy being consumed and cut down on your utility costs. This and other great products can be found at smarthome.com.